Today, I'm going to give you the truth about the Truist Enjoy Cash Secured card so you know if it is worth it. The Truist Enjoy Cash Secured is designed for people building or rebuilding their credit. It requires a refundable security deposit, which sets your credit limit. You will have many perks and many rewards. Not only it helps you to build your credit, but also it helps you to gain cash back. As you can see, rewards while working on your credit. Win-win. Earn up to 3% cash back on gas and EV charging and 2% on utilities and groceries, with a combined $1,000 monthly cap and 1% on all other eligible purchases. It also reports to all three major credit bureaus, so responsible use can help you establish or repair your credit history over time. There is no annual fee, but you will need to put down a deposit to open the account. Over time, if you see the card responsibly or you use the card responsibly, you might be eligible to upgrade to an unsecured Truist card and get your deposit back, as you can see here. There is an APR of 27.49% on purchases and balance transfers. So if you want a secured card that not only helps you build credit, but also pays you rewards on everyday purchases, the Truist Enjoy Cash Secured card is a solid choice for you.